What is a CMA and why are we always offering to do them for you? A CMA is a comparative market analysis. Before you list your house for sale, we want to know as much as we can about the local market. We want to know about the regional market, obviously, but we want to know what's going on in your neighborhood, in your area in terms of home sales. Let's say you have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath split entry home. We're going to ideally find some of those in the local area that have sold or are for sale. And we're going to look at the sales data for those. We're going to look at what the list price was, what the final sale price was, how many days on the market, that sort of thing. But we're also going to look at the details of those homes. Were they listed as having a new roof, new windows, or were they marked as in disrepair and being sold as is, where is? How similar were they to your home and how different were they to your home? We're going to take that information and we're going to nest it within a larger regional market context. So usually we do these with about a year and a half of historical data, but that can be really tricky in the markets we're having now, where let's say how a house sold in 2021 was very different from early 20, and how they're selling in late 2022 doesn't really resemble early 2021. So we need to be careful about that historical context and understanding the shifts in the market. One of the great things about having the information from a CMA is that this is some objective data about the sales in your area. Selling your home can be a very subjective, emotional process. You've probably put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into your property, your own money, your own time. You've maybe raised a family there. So what you feel that home is worth has to be matched against what we know the market is doing for homes like that. Putting this all together allows us to have a bit of objectivity in what can be a very emotional process. If you have any questions about CMAs or anything else to do with buying or selling a house, get in touch anytime. I'm always happy to answer your questions.